How to buy an extended warranty for a car. Extended warranties can be expensive, making the cost of the car even more than originally envisaged. You have to decide if it is worth the extra expense for the peace of mind offered. Before you do that, you should find out as much as you can about the deal you are being offered, what is covers, what is doesn't, and who underwrites the warranty. Take your time to make an informed decision and don't be rushed into anything. Understanding your options. Know if you need to buy an extended warranty. The first thing to get clear is whether or not you have to buy an extended warranty or, as it is sometimes known, service contract. Generally, you will not be required to buy an extended warranty, it will be an optional extra. If the car dealer tells you that you need to buy an extended warranty in order to qualify for financing, you shouldn't take their word for it. Contact the lender yourself and ask if this is true. If you buy an extended warranty and then discover that your lender didn't require you to, it can be difficult to cancel and you may not get any money back. Find out if you are duplicating the car maker's warranty. New cars will come with a warranty from the manufacturer that will typically cover you for the first 3 years, or around 36,000 miles. One of the factors to consider when thinking about an extended warranty is whether you plan to keep the car much beyond the period covered by the manufacturer. Different manufacturers offer different warranties. Used car warranties will also be different from new car warranties. Be sure to check the documents on the extended warranty to make sure you are not paying for coverage when your manufacturer's warranty is still valid. Normally, the extended warranty will not come into effect until the manufacturer's warranty expires, but be sure to check. Shop around thoroughly. You don't have to buy an extended warranty where you bought the car. Since there is so much money made from these plans, you should expect very eager sales staff encouraging you to opt for the extended warranty. Don't be rushed into a decision. Shop around before making any decisions. You can search online for comparisons of warranty providers. Generally, you can purchase an extended warranty from the dealer, a warranty company or agent, an insurance company, a credit union, or a broker. 4. You can buy an extended warranty at any point after you have bought the car. You may, however, find that as the car gets appreciably older, the rates will go up. Be prepared to haggle about the price with the sales staff. It might feel unusual, but there is evidence that those who haggle can on average to save a few $100s. 5. Research the variety of providers. When you are shopping around, you should keep it in mind that there are a vast number of potential suppliers for extended warranties on cars. This open marketplace has its advantages and disadvantages. The advantages includes a wide variety of providers with numerous deals and offers available to you, but the sheer number of warranty providers can make it hard to see the wood for the trees and find the best deal for you. For example, you might find a better deal with your main car insurance provider rather than the car dealership. It can be especially difficult to determine the trustworthiness of an online company and navigate your way through the small print and conditions. Be sure to thoroughly research any company you are considering and check whether they are backed by an insurance firm with your local insurance commission. Check the company with your local consumer protection agency to see if there have been complaints made in the past, and how they were resolved. 6. It is worth noting that extended warranties which are backed by the car manufacturer are generally rated the best. 7. The minimum requirements for extended warranties will vary by state, but the policy should be available for you to read in a clear and accessible document, with full contact details for the provider. It should clearly and conspicuously state any deductibles and prior approval procedures for repairs. Be wary of potential scams. If you are searching for extended warranty deals, you may find yourself more susceptible to cold callers or mailings that seem to be offering you an attractive deal. These markets are often subject to dubious practices, so it's important to stay vigilant and skeptical. Don't take the information in phone calls or mailings at face value. If they say your warranty is about to expire, check this yourself, it's a sale technique. Be on the lookout for phrases such as final warranty notice or notice of interruption, which are designed to make the situation appear urgent and rush you into a deal. Never disclose any personal or financial information unless you are completely certain who you are dealing with. This includes your driving license number. Always request time to think over any deal. Reputable providers should not try to push you into something. 8.